Hi, my name is Mary Beth Spanmank, and I live in a bank. No kidding. My wonderful and talented husband renovated a bank building into our home. Pretty cool, huh? What other fun facts can I tell you about myself? Well, I have two lovely grown children, and I have been a long-time teacher. I am certified to teach children from pre-K all the way up to 6th grade, but most of my teaching efforts have been concentrated in the early years. I have taught. I'm also a published author of over 45 teacher resource books and over 75 children's readers for major educational publishing houses such as Scholastic, Time for Kids, and Learning Resources. In addition to all of that, I am a puppeteer and a storyteller. In my Outschool classes, I include a lot of interactive storytelling with puppets. This here is my puppet, Beanie Bichon. Say hello, Beanie. Hello, Beanie. I believe in including stories and puppets in my lessons because I have found them to be incredibly powerful teaching tools, especially for young kids. Those tools help kids automatically sit up, lean in, listen up, and participate in their own learning as never before. So, if you are someone who thinks that your child would enjoy entering the magical and imaginative world of storytelling and puppetry, all the while exploring early reading skills and concepts such as alphabet awareness, sight word recognition, vocabulary development, phonemic awareness, and even problem-solving skills, then I hope to see your child in my class. Thank you so much for listening. Say goodbye, Beanie. Goodbye, Beanie. Bye for now.